Hi project managers, welcome to my channel. This is Ivy with ZL Consulting. I am a project management coach and consultant. Today I would like to discuss whether PMP certification is worth it and if that's right for you. I am a PMP certified project manager for over a decade. I have successfully executed multi-million-dollar, very complex global projects with high profits. But that doesn't mean I recommend you to go ahead and get a PMP certification right away. Based on where you are in your career path, I would give you different recommendations. If you are fresh out of college and just jumping into your first job as a project manager, I would recommend you to hold on a while for certification, but definitely take the training that is offered in the company and is available around you that you can access to give you the essential skills for being a project manager. Then you can jumpstart your career in your project management path. However, most PMP certifications, no matter it's for associate level or for professional level, definitely require a couple of years experience. I believe the PMP certification requires at least 3 years of practice. So give it about 3 to 5 years before you consider the certification. One is practice will help you be good at it and you learn better from the practice than from the exam itself. Secondly, comes with the exam, there's preparation course and exam. It adds together to be thousands of dollars for getting that certification. And that could be quite expensive if you're just starting your first job. So give it a while. With that being said, if you have practiced project management for 3 to 5 years and ready to jump to the next job and advance your career, go ahead and get that certification right away. Because the certification is a strong stamp on the resume. It validates your experience. It definitely speaks stronger to the recruiters. And also, it is a very strong add-on in the resume. A lot of the job posting requires a PMP certification for a more senior position project manager. So with that on your resume, quite often you will pass the first round of the screening and give you a chance for the interview. So if you're in that position, go ahead and prepare for the exam now. Scenario 3. There are a lot of very large companies have a lot of the mentor and development and rotation programs. They take students right out of the college and put them into those rotational development programs. In those programs, you get experience different departments and take lots of different training courses. And quite often, those companies has customized their own product lifecycle development process and tools. So in that program, you naturally get the training and the experience you need to start a career path as a project manager in that company. If your desire is to advance within the company, heading up the chain of a project manager position, you do not necessarily need a PMP certification. That will be a good additional piece to your career, but it's not absolutely mandatory. Because in those type of company ecosystem, you can access the training and the tools you need within the company. And the PMP certification is just a nice add-on. However, if your company sponsors those certifications, why not get it whenever you have the time? It is good for you. Here you have it. Those are my recommendations for you based on where you are, what situation you're in, and what career path you are on for a project manager. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. And for more information, please visit my website at www.zl-consulting.com. Don't forget, I offer 30 minutes free coaching, so go ahead and sign up yours today. Thank you for spending time with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.